with me here, I have my old hair dryer. The first thing that I noticed when we tengok dekat estetik dia, dia punya airflow ni open tau. So my biggest fear bila bulan nak hair dry, kan the air masuk dari sini. So there's a high possibility that my hair boleh tersekat-sekat dalam ni, and dia ada kipas kat dalam ni. So that's scary. And with this, bulan perasan dia punya airflow dia kat bawah ni, and dia ada protector. So dekat sini, if we twist, dia akan buka, and dekat sini dia punya airflow sangat safe, sangat safety. One thing that can damage your hair bila you blow dry your hair, sebenarnya when your hair dry ni ada very low air speed, tapi dia sangat panas. Itu akan membuatkan your hair kering. Jadi kita go low first, and we try speed number 1 dulu. Okay, jom kita tukar dengan Airbot punya. I have a very high hope dengan ni. To start with, dia ada 2 setting air speed dia ni, level 1 and level 2. Untuk temperature pula, you boleh adjust tau. So jom kita try level number 1 dulu. That is level number 1, guys. I'm not show you guys the heat setting on this. Kalau level number 1 sekuat tu, what about level number 2? I'm sorry dekat keadaan pula sekarang, but that is impressive.